What do you do to welcome back to this video? So in this video I'm gonna be showing you something really unique, and this is how to rank your Medium articles on Google by just doing some simple SEO and tricks. So you can see I have a couple of keywords here: JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, which gets anywhere from 10 to 100 searches a monthly according to Google Keyword Planner. But in my experience of writing website content, I know that is low, because your article can rank for thousands, if not even tens of thousands of keywords, so you can get traffic from those related articles. So this is low. So I don't, when I'm writing an article, I don't mind about volume. I don't mind about if it gets anywhere from 40 searches, because I know I'll rank for many other related keywords. So, and when you're using Medium to write your articles, you will rank even for tens of thousands of other related keywords. So you may rank for JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, or you may rank for JVZoo affiliate marketing, just that phrase alone. So there's no limit to how you can. So when I'm writing articles, I go for those low competition, slightly long tail keywords with Medium, because I know I can crush the competition and take up the top 10, anywhere from the top 10 position. So let me show you an example of what I did. So you can see that when you search out the keyword how to promote clickbank products on Instagram, it's a slightly long tail keywords. So these bigger websites will not always go for these long tail keywords because it's too specific. So the big websites always want the big fish, so they want the big keywords. They always take up those bigger keywords. So if you're smart, you go for the small keywords, because you can know that you can even get them in just a couple of hours or even days. So the first thing what you need to do is you need to assess the competition and see what's ranking. So you can see that here I found an article that was written on Medium but wasn't specifically targeting this phrase, how to promote ClickBank products on Instagram. So you can see that this video here is ranking because it has that in the title. So you can see the top ranking article has that specific keyword in the title. That's why it's taking up that spot number one, because it is specific to that very search query. So what you can see that is my article was written 4 days ago, and it's already ranking here in the top. I think it's in position 4. Yeah, just because it's only 1,200 words. And if I had done a good job of writing about 2,000 words, I could probably get the top the top two, or the top, even the first position is possible. So here's another one that I wrote 14 hours ago, and you can see that it's already ranking at position number 2. These are videos, so if you go to the content or the blog content, you can see that it's already ranking here in position number 2 for this keyword, JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. And to show you proof that I'm not really joking around or anything like that, so let me show you inside the back end of my Medium account. So you can see here, JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial is this very article here that was written 14 hours ago. And how to promote ClickBank products on Instagram is this one that was written 4 days ago. So you can see that I'm writing articles on these long tail keywords. They may not, at first you may not get a lot of views, but it will eventually pick up and you start seeing consistent views on your Medium article. So how do I do this? Let me open up one example. So for this example, let me open up the JVZoo one, and I show you what I did to optimize this very article. And this article has a video that I released a couple of days ago. So that's another ranking factor. Google likes videos or content that attaches video in the body. So you can see that JVZoo and affiliate marketing. Oh, let me close this. So JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. It's in the title right here. So you can see JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. That's the keyword I'm targeting. So, and another way to even show Google that I'm really targeting this keyword is that I used it here in this JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners. You can see that the keyword is already attached in the first 100 words of this very article. So add the keyword in the title of your article, add it in the first 100 words. If possible, you can even add it in the first sentence, but Google will know where to rank you, obviously, so you don't need to do keyword stuffing. Make sure it's natural and it appears more appealing. It's not keyword stuffed. So you can see if you're looking for a unique strategy to promote affiliate products, so I can rank for this keyword as well, promote affiliate products, that very keyword. So I hope you're seeing the strategy, the meaning of SEO. So you can rank for even thousands of other keywords. So you can also rank for promote affiliate products, that exact keyword. You can also rank for JVisual affiliate marketing, JVisual affiliate marketing tutorial, JVisual affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, and you can see that you can also rank for without a website and free traffic. That's another keyword you can rank for. And once again, I told you, add videos to your Medium articles, because Google likes video, and they are here heavily pushing video, because video is the future of online marketing. So for every article you create a video that explains the same topic. And once again, having a video at the top to increase the average time of the visitor spends on your web page. So that's another ranking factor. If Google sees that people are spending more time on your web page watching a video, they will promote that video, and it will even rank higher on the searches. So you can see that JVisual products, another keyword I could rank for. So I hope you're seeing the power of SEO. So what you need to do is to go ahead and add sub headlines, so you can see how to find the best launches to promote on Manchai. That's another keyword I could rank for. I hope you're seeing the power of SEO. So you don't only rank for that specific keyword. So when you're writing an article, don't focus about the monthly search volumes that you see here, because you're going to rank for even other related keywords. So you can see that I can rank for that Manchai one. Then you can also see that how writing a review article and ranking it, so I can also rank for that keyword. So how do you rank your Medium article? That's another keyword people always search. How do I know? Because it's a problem. I also encountered that, so and I went to Google and I searched for it. So how do you rank your Medium article? And I'm very sure by the end of this video, I'm going to embed this very video exactly under this very sub headline, so that it also gets views. So hope you're seeing the power of Medium. Medium can help you rank on Google. And one another thing you should always keep in mind when you're promoting affiliate products on Medium is to always read their Medium rules. So I will attach a copy of this very article in the description of this very video, so you can go and check it out and see what I did, how I optimized everything, how I added headlines, how I made content readable by adding bulleted points. And you can see that I'm giving people value. I'm showing them examples. I'm showing them exact examples of me doing what I'm teaching them, so people will be more likely to continue reading my content. So I'm also linking out to my website. That's another way to get traffic to your website if you're still waiting for Google to rank your website. And once Google sees that you're promoting your content to these other helpful to these other platforms like Medium, they will rank it even higher. So you can see I'm promoting one of my videos, and I'm sure if you are a regular subscriber, then you must have seen this video. So I'm promoting this. Once again, if they are done reading this, they can watch this video, and this video is exactly talking about Medium, so it will also help this video rank on Google and YouTube as well. So I hope you see how you can rank your Medium article. Once again, when you are finalizing with your final code, so you can see by the end of this beginner JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, once again attach the very keyword at the end of your article, so Google knows that this article is specifically targeting JVZoo affiliate marketing tutorial, and that's how you can rank your Medium articles on Google. So attach the keyword in the title, in the first sentence, and at the end of the article. You don't need to keyword stuff. Make it look natural in the very article itself. So you can see if you're looking to promote bank products on Instagram, I have a tutorial for you that you can also read. You can see this is another video that I'm promoting, and you can see I also import content on my website. This is another article that I wrote, convert keto versus Aweber. I'm not sure whether this has ranked yet, but I'll find out. So once again, if you give people value on Medium, they will push your content even more and more to their audience. So let me go back to my stats. I click on notifications here on this bell icon. So you can see that people are starting to find my content and they're following me. The more you have followers on Medium, the more they're gonna push your content to those followers, so they'll be able to see each and every time you post an article on Medium. That's another way of getting consistent traffic. Give people value and link to your videos. Affiliate links are allowed, but you must disclose somewhere on Medium that this article contains affiliate links. Once again, read the Medium rules and regulations, and be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.